Welcome to Tyco Friday. Thank God it's Tyco Friday. Yeah. Wow. Yeah, I got pick kits for the night. I got 5 of them. Yeah. They're all different. Every one of them's different. I got 2 from Rick. Thanks. I really appreciate that, Rick. Paul, really appreciate it. Terry, appreciate you and all the boxes you sent me. Thank you, sir. And House, that's from Scott. Yeah. So there's 5, and I got 2 more coming. One from Steve and another one from the house. Steve Bataki, thank you very much. I really appreciate that. I got a Datsun here. 72 Datsun. It's an extraction. I got a 56 Ford F100 body. It's a 4-gear. Pretty cool. I got a Ultra G. This is the Pontiac. Yeah, 68 Pontiac Firebird Ultra G. I got a van, a 4-gear van. Dodge Tradesman van. Yes, sir. And a Corvette. It's a extraction. So I got 2 extractions, 2 of 4 gears, and 1 Ultra G. And that's really cool. I got another van coming and another truck coming. So we're going to have some fun here on Friday nights. Cold snacks and pick kits. Yes, sirree. Appreciate that, brother. A lot. All 4 of you guys. Well, 5 counting you, Steve. Appreciate it. You guys win them, and then you're like, hey, send it to Rich. Scott's like, hell yeah. So he, yeah. Appreciate it. Today, yeah, Porsche. This bad boy's lighted, I think. Yes, it is. It's HP7 chassis. The other one's on a 440x2. The other one's yellow. This one's orange. The flames are orange. The other car, it's yellow. TRW Goodyear. Porsche. Yeah. Diehard Marasso. That's my glasses. I'm seeing things. But, yeah. Well, I'll bring you around here and we'll check this bad boy out. Yeah, this car is pretty cool. HP7 chassis. A lot of guys really like these HP7s, especially if you pull this magnet out and you put a replacement one in with a lot stronger magnets. I usually put 2, 1 on each side, and I guess they handle really, really well. Let's look her up in the book. I can figure out where to. I'm right to the Porsche page. Lucky me. Yeah. Yep. White wheels. Orange, yellow. Orange, yellow. Yes, sir. 13, 14. We're doing 13. Lighted HP7, 90 to 93. Lighted HP7, 6920. Availability is a 5. They're readily available. You can probably still find one right now. Number 13. Yeah, 13. Red with orange flames. 78. Note 92, 93 catalog is listed as a 908. Yeah, it is not a 908. It's a Carrera. Okay, this is red with lime flames. I guess they're not yellow. They're supposed to be lime, I guess. It looks yellow. It looks yellow to me. But yes. Looks yellow. Yellow. That one's orange. And lime, I guess. Alright. Let's put the bad boy on a dyno and see how she does. Not too bad at all. Too bad, 262, 63. She's running real smooth between 1 and 4. Yeah, real smooth. Real smooth. Put a little oil on this and put it back on the dyno and let it break in. Oh yeah. Novus on his body. Shine her all up. Pretty cool car. Yeah, it's going over 60. It's going real well. Low voltage. 65 and 18.5. Something like that. Let's take her over to the track and see how she does. Yeah, she's a little ass happy, but runs real well. is a Javelin from Tuesday. I changed the motor in it. Changed all 4 hubs. They don't get chrome. It just gets gray. Changed them. And it runs real good now. It just needs to have wipers put on and those buttons come off. So yeah, there you go. From Tuesday, and this is today's car. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this Porsche. Orange flames. HP7 chassis, lighted. Pretty cool car. Hope you guys like that. Yeah, it doesn't get chrome wheels. It gets the this color here, dark, whatever they are. And I changed the motor, and I obviously changed all 4 hubs, the rear axle and crown gear, and it rolls really, really nice. It runs real good now. I just need to take these buttons off and put wipers on it. I will do that tonight, hopefully sometime tonight. And yeah, find some decals, number 3, to put on it. Hope you guys like the show. Yes, sir. And yeah, guess I'll wrap things up here. Hope to see you guys tonight. Be about 7:15. And yeah, got, like I said, I have those 5 pit kits. We will build one of those tonight. And yeah, guess that's about all I really got for today. See you guys tonight for cold snacks, Tyco, slot cars and cold snacks, pit kits. Yeah, I know what it is, but Scott keeps confusing me because he's confused. He says that he said it 10 different ways. He said it. Slot cars and cold snacks. That's what it is. And pit kits. Slot cars, cold snacks, and pit kits. I guess. Slot cars and cold snacks. That's good enough. Yeah. If we ain't got no pit kits, we just sit here and we BS, tell jokes, and have a good time. It's rated R. I set it up. No one under 18 is allowed in. If you have kids that are teenagers or younger sitting there with you and you watch it, that's not good. No, I don't save them. They get deleted after the show every Friday night, and that's just the way it is. Yeah, have a good time. Don't worry about it, and just come in and have a few cold snacks with us. Appreciate you guys coming in. Subscribe if you ain't subscribed. Hit the bell, get notified, and you'll know when I go live. And yeah, catch you guys tonight. Later.